In today's interconnected world, Wi-Fi is essential. We use it for work, entertainment, and staying connected. But what happens when you need Wi-Fi and don't have the password? Many people wonder about accessing Wi-Fi without permission. This is a serious issue with legal and ethical implications. This essay will explore the workings of Wi-Fi, methods for accessing unsecured networks, and the legal ramifications of doing so. We aim to educate, not encourage, illegal activity. Understanding the technology and the law is crucial. It's about protecting yourself and respecting others. Let's dive in. Wi-Fi relies on radio waves to connect devices to the internet. Think of it like a radio station transmitting a signal. Your device, with its Wi-Fi capability, acts as a receiver. A router acts as the central hub, broadcasting the internet signal. To connect, your device needs the network name, or SSID, and the password. The password protects the network, like a key to your front door. Without the correct key, you can't get in. However, not all networks are password protected. Some are left open for public use, like those in coffee shops. Others might have security flaws that make them vulnerable. Understanding this basic framework is key to understanding the methods and risks of accessing Wi-Fi without a password. Accessing a Wi-Fi network without the password is often called hacking. While it sounds technical, some methods are surprisingly simple. One way is finding default passwords. Many routers come with preset passwords. A quick online search can reveal these defaults. If the owner hasn't changed them, you can access the network. Another method is using special software designed to guess passwords. This process, called brute forcing, can take time and computing power. It's crucial to understand that using these methods on networks you don't have permission to access is illegal. We'll discuss the legal and ethical ramifications in the next section. Section 4. The legal landscape staying on the right side of the law. Accessing someone's Wi-Fi network without permission is a crime. It's considered theft of service and a violation of privacy. The consequences can be severe, including fines and even jail time. The law doesn't differentiate between sophisticated hacking and simply guessing a password. Unauthorized access is unauthorized access. Ethically, it's about respect. Imagine someone reading your emails or accessing your personal information without your consent. That's what's at stake when you access a Wi-Fi network illegally. Always err on the side of caution. Use secure networks, respect others' privacy, and stay informed about the legal implications of your actions. Section 5. Conclusion. Wi-Fi security, a shared responsibility. We've explored the basics of Wi-Fi, methods of unauthorized access, and the legal and ethical considerations. While the temptation to snag free Wi-Fi might be strong, the risks far outweigh the benefits. Protecting your network is crucial. Use strong passwords, change default settings, and keep your router software updated. Respect others' privacy and use Wi-Fi responsibly. Remember, security is a shared responsibility. By understanding the technology and the law, we can create a safer and more secure online experience for everyone. What are your thoughts on Wi-Fi security? Share your insights in the comments below. For further reading on Wi-Fi security best practices, visit link to a reputable cybersecurity website.